How to edit a TikTok video. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage, from where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. Then, from this page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. You will then be taken to the camera page of TikTok. Hold the capture button for a couple of seconds and release it to record a video. Now, just tap on the arrow from the side panel, and then select the edit option from here. Now, tap on the preview of the video. You will find a number of options at the bottom panel. Here, I will choose the filters option and choose from a wide range of options. After you're done choosing a filter, go back. You can also crop the video over here. You can add audio to your video from the Add Sound option. Select a song and tap on it to add the song. Now tap on the option Adjust to adjust the audio file with the video. Once you're done, hit the next button at the top right corner. Now, tap on Post after making necessary changes to the content. So, by following these steps, you can easily edit a TikTok video.